Factorize completely 9 by 5 s square plus 6 sv plus 5v square. So here the question is 9 by 5 s square 6 sv plus 5v square. See, it looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square, but the thing is here 9 by 5 you need to write as like 3 by root 5 s whole square, and 5v you can write as root 5v whole square. So to avoid this irrational part, you can take LCM. Then you can check for like identity. So here I'm solving by using identities. So LCM will be here like 5. So it remains as it is 9s square. So here if I'll multiply 5, 6 times 5, 30 sv plus 5 times 5, 25v square. So this denominator part 5, if I'll write as 1 by 5, and the remaining as it is 9s square 30 sv plus 25v square. Now if you'll see carefully, it is a square b square. If it is 2ab, then I can write as a plus b whole square, because a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. So here 1 by 5, first I'll write empty, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here 9s I can write as 3s, 9s square I can write as 3s whole square, 25v square I can write as 5v whole square. Now this 3s will be a, 5v will be b. If I'll substitute here 3s 5v. Now if I'll check 2 times 3 6, 6 times 5 30 sv. So it is perfect 30 sv. Now I can write as 1 by 5 a plus b whole square, because it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 3s plus 5v whole square, or I can write as 1 by 5 into 3s plus 5v into 3s plus 5v.